Hi everyone, today we're opening box number 12 of LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar 2021, and we have a TIE Fighter. I think it's just a regular TIE Fighter, maybe the one used by Moff Gideon during a chase scene, but I'm not sure. It could just as well be any other regular TIE Fighter. So, in any case, I think it looks good. I think it might even be compatible with the Imperial Light Cruiser playsets. So, I don't know. I'm just speculating. I guess the scale is close to the ones in that set, so I suppose it might be compatible to the shooting mechanism. Or maybe that one's smaller, so I don't know. But in any case, this is a relatively simple build compared to yesterday, and we have a couple of spare pieces, and there you have it. Day 12, and we have the TIE Fighter. Thank you for watching.